Israel's agricultural landscape is a remarkable example of innovation and resilience in the face of environmental challenges. Despite its small size and the fact that much of the country lies in a semi-arid or arid region, Israel has developed a highly productive and diverse agricultural sector. The country's agricultural output includes a variety of fruits, especially citrus, pomegranates, and dates. They also grow vegetables, grains, and dairy products, as well as cutting-edge technologies in fields like irrigation, water conservation, and biotechnology. One of the primary challenges Israel faces is water scarcity. The country receives very little rainfall, particularly in its southern and eastern regions, and much of the water is concentrated in the winter months. This creates a dependency on limited water resources for both agriculture and drinking water. As a result, Israel has been forced to invest heavily in water management solutions, including the use of drip irrigation, pioneered by Israeli engineers, wastewater recycling, desalination, and advanced water storage techniques. Additionally, Israel's semi-arid climate and the increasing pressures of climate change exacerbate the vulnerability of its agricultural sector. Water scarcity, soil degradation, and the threat of desertification are ongoing concerns that require continuous innovation in crop management and sustainable farming practices. Israel's agricultural sector has made significant strides in addressing these challenges through technology, but maintaining a balance between food production and environmental sustainability remains a constant struggle. The following are the most famous Israel's water-saving technologies in Drip irrigation is a highly efficient method of watering crops that delivers water directly to the roots of plants in small, controlled amounts. This method reduces water waste by minimizing evaporation and runoff, making it especially valuable in arid and semi-arid regions like Israel, where water is a scarce resource. In Israel, drip irrigation was pioneered by Simcha Blas and his son Yeshayahu Blas in the 1950s. Simcha Blas, an Israeli water engineer, is credited with inventing the modern drip irrigation system. The concept came from Blas's observation of how water would flow slowly and steadily through natural cracks in the soil, providing plants with a steady, direct supply of moisture. Blas's innovation involved the development of a plastic emitter that allowed water to drip out slowly and precisely at the root zone of plants, improving water efficiency. This system was developed and commercialized in the 1960s, and Israel has since become a world leader in the technology and its global adoption. Sprinkler irrigation. Sprinkler irrigation is a vital part of Israel's agricultural strategy, enabling efficient water use in a country with limited freshwater resources. Through the use of advanced technologies and careful integration with other irrigation methods, Israeli farmers have been able to achieve high levels of productivity and sustainability. The country's innovation in irrigation technology, including sprinkler systems, has made it a leader in agricultural efficiency and water conservation, providing valuable lessons for other arid and semi-arid regions around the world. Soil moisture monitoring technology. Israel has been using soil moisture monitoring technology to measure and track the moisture content in soil, providing real-time data that helps farmers optimize irrigation and ensure crops receive adequate water without waste. These devices usually have sensors that detect water levels, and their data can be accessed through computers or mobile apps, allowing farmers to make precise, data-driven decisions. Israel is one of the pioneers in using soil moisture monitoring technology to conserve water and maximize crop yields. Soil moisture sensors are a key component in precision irrigation practices. This has enabled Israeli farmers to apply just the right amount of water based on real-time soil data, reducing water consumption by up to 30 to 50% in some cases. Several companies and research institutions have contributed to the development of soil moisture monitoring technology. The early development of soil moisture sensors can be attributed to advancements in environmental and agricultural science in the 20th century. In Israel, key players like Netafim, known for pioneering drip irrigation, as we have said before, and other agricultural technology companies have led in adapting these sensors for local and global agriculture. Recycled water use. Israel leads the world in water reuse, recycling about 85% of its wastewater for agricultural purposes. This percentage far exceeds that of most other countries, with Spain coming in a distant second at around 20%. Approximately half of the water used in Israel's agriculture comes from recycled wastewater, which allows fresh water to be preserved for domestic and ecological needs. During treatment and purification of water in Israel, wastewater undergoes extensive purification in treatment facilities to ensure it meets the high safety standards required for agricultural use. Israel has developed advanced tertiary treatment methods, allowing treated water to be safely used in irrigation without harming crops or soil quality. This water strategy has allowed Israel to support its agricultural sector sustainably, even in arid conditions. By reusing wastewater, the country has reduced its reliance on imported water and boosted food security. Recycled water has lowered the cost of water for farmers and enables year-round cultivation, strengthening the agricultural economy. Thanks to recycled water, Israel has been able to expand the area under irrigation. Currently, nearly 450,000 hectares of farmland are irrigated, with a large proportion benefiting from treated wastewater. Over recent decades, agricultural productivity in Israel has significantly increased, partly due to the reliable water supply from recycled wastewater. From 1980 to present, crop production has grown by over 200%. Notable increases in citrus, tomato, and avocado yields, which have more than doubled in yield per hectare due to efficient water use. Israel's irrigation technologies have been adapted globally in water-scarce regions like California, India, and parts of Africa. Israel's innovation has turned a water-scarce country into an agricultural powerhouse. The story of Israel's agricultural success is a model for regions facing similar challenges, demonstrating that with technology, adaptation, and resilience, arid regions can thrive. Thanks for watching. Please give us your feedback and comment on what we should discuss about on our next videos. And do not forget to subscribe on our channel, and your comment and share would be much appreciated.